Dang. You said he got you. You're good, dude. We got the Maros out here, the homie Frank.
About to be old.
Hey. How's what's up? Boys came through today. That's what's up. Bro brought his E350 out. Honestly, never this many people, ever. The RTs. Let me get my camera, I guess. I didn't think it was gonna be this big, dude. Dang. 350. Man, this thing's a beast. They're bringing out some nice whips out here. Look at that front kit.
Just like I saw the show.
He's lost my car.
Don't do anything stupid, you're on camera.
Oh, nice.
That's dope.
We gotta park in the boonies.
In the boonies?
I saw one other GT50R over there, an Avalanche Gray.
Man.
Yeah, there's an Avalanche Gray over there.
I like the wheels, man. The wheels are like really just add to it.
Did you put these on yourself? Like
Is that?
did you put on the lugs?
I did. Yeah.
Just check out these lineups. We got the Mopar gang. Of course, a Cobra. Another Cobra. That's a badass Cobra, man. These are like the classics now. These things are nice.
You can get them for a good price too. That's the cool part.
I like these wheels. Damn. Buggy cool over there, guys. Check it out. We will take a look still. I mean, another Cobra. There's a lot of muscle cars out here today. Nice Lexus coming through. Damn, that thing's sick. That's dope. That's dope. That's something different. That other Cobra's hard, bro.
That is high, bro.
This one too, the classic. I was like, check this out. I can fit my hand in there. This thing's huge, bro. Badass. Hey, I've never seen this many Mustangs, dude. Definitely some worth showing up. Damn, that thing is nice. Sounds nice. They're dropping cash here.
That supercharger's like bigger than my motor.
That's so huge. What the?
Is that stock or what? Heck no. Wow. That ain't stock.
Hell no.
Have you seen
that?
It's on a Hellcat too? Dang.
See, that's just a plate.
The lights are so dope.
I guess so.
Oh, he got the charger in there too. Super right here. Bro, I should have hit up J-Star, man. That thing's fat tires right there, bro. Here. Classic Camaros.
Yeah.
Shit. The FD. This is something else. I gotta show you this. This is fucking badass. This Carmi does not disappoint. Definitely a very good vlog. Check that out. This is insane, bro. This is so dope. Corvette. That thing's sick. Nice. Just a good meet overall. Check out the red interior.
Doing about 60, still spinning the tires.
Check that out. Classics. He has an 8-track cassette in there. Bro. Check out this interior, bro. You'll trip out. Got the stains. Nice. Thing sounds nice. This thing's awesome. Damn, they got the muscle crew right here. This red one's nice. I didn't really like that model too much, but that one still is nice. Yeah. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god.
Imagine how much suction it gets off that
Damn,
box.
bro. Imagine this thing, dude.
Imagine the suction.
Old school LS1. What? Never even seen this model, to be honest. I've seen a lot of cars.
Must be a master mechanic working.
Maybach, should I pull up?
I sent him. Damn, this thing is sitting pretty, bro. Sick as fuck. This GT2. I'm feeling this color. Bunch of people out here today. This Camaro. Damn. OJ needed that Bronco to get away. I never even seen that Scout. I never seen one of these CR1. This was badass. Damn! Carbon overload on this. Jesus Christ. Check it out. Never seen this one out. I haven't even seen this thing out. It's sick. Sick. That's how your car's gonna look, how you plastic dip it?
Yeah, about plastic dipper.
Yeah, what the hell? I've never seen this. What the F? This is so crazy. Never even seen this. So sick. Damn. They brought the ponies out today, man. They brought so many dope Mustangs. This thing is sick, bro. Here's some super dope classics out here today. You guys know what's up with cars right here. Couple caddies right here. CTSV. Nice. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Losing traction over there. This Mustang silver is sick. Brown interior. Dude, imagine how I felt dipping in those seats. It's like a couch with a seatbelt. And you're going like G-force at like 2 Gs sideways. And these things, dang. Look at the side, bro. There's like nothing to hold on to.
Straight carpet. Couches with carpet.
Oh, they brought the caddy over here. Is that the caddy? No way. You could hear the cams on that thing, dude. This thing's a monster. What the? I gotta get it. Not like that, guys. Mach 1 over there. So said the kid read it. Dude, you can barely get out of first gear.
Man, I think it's either I go or I don't.
Damn, they brought a Sylvia? Nice. Damn, whatever that was, kind of deep. What was that? Super sick Sylvia setup right here, guys. Clean. You don't see this too much anymore. Damn. Super dope build. Damn. Damn. They dropped some guap on this. This thing is sick. Kitted out, diffused, front end, everything. Still even recording, dude. There's tons of shit. I'm gonna have to vlog it. Dope cars here. There's Jenny. Look at this Genesis. Damn. Damn. You hear that Mustang? Let's go check that out. Is that the orange one? Damn, his exhaust cut out the fat ass. That one has chrome on the back, that one's sick. And then that one has fog lamps, those are all different, those are sick. But it's these cars in here.
Yeah, you saw that?
It's all hard. Remember old roller coaster?
Yeah, it's like
Chain just starts tugging. The orange one was fucking loud. Well, he got his son and everything. Oh, Jesus Christ. What? The Loster gang right here. It's actually like, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them? 6 of them. The color scheme is even
the color's
on point.
insane. It's the Bianchi color.
Yeah, it is the Bianchi colors.
It's the Bianchi color. It's like
The seafoam green.
That's the seafoam green. Super rare.
Super nice interior. His shifter,
You saw that?
inline shifter. You'll be seeing some more videos. And then yeah, just if you guys like this stuff, let me know. Comment. I mean, there's a lot more muscle cars. This one, oh, check this out. See, this is the last minute good stuff.
I just seen his car, took pictures of him, drive past.
Yeah, butterfly doors. That's sick. That paint job, everything here. Some super nice builds.
If you always unlock it from the opposite side, it never does.
Dang, that thing's sick. I gotta hear it. There's Dean. Yo, yo, yo. Nice. He was all with the girl, Coco. Quiet. Yeah. Got the signature on there. Check that out, guys. Super dope. Car, downforce.
Dragging that thing.
Yeah. Dang.
I'll give him the thumbs up.
Nice. Damn.
Maybach.